Apple introduced a new iPhone 12. Here's the unboxing and my first impression. Now let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, the back side of the phone is at the top. Now let's pull out this tab and keep the phone aside. The next thing we get is a Type-C to Lightning cable. We also get some paperwork, an Apple sticker and a SIM ejector tool. The biggest talking point of the iPhone is that Apple stopped providing the charging brick. Now let's peel off the sticker. The most interesting part of an unboxing is peeling off the sticker. Now let's dive into the phone's design. At the front of the iPhone 12, there's a notch at the front to house the true depth camera and the speaker. And there is slimmer bezel all around the body. The back side of the phone is glass and is a fingerprint magnet. There are antennas at the top and side along with the volume buttons at left, nothing at the top, and the power buttons on the right. At the bottom, there is a lightning port, microphone and a speaker. Underneath the power button, there is a new 5G mm antenna. At the back, there are two main cameras, a wide and an ultra-wide camera. The all-glass front and back panels are held together with an aluminum frame which features a matte design. The biggest feature missing in the iPhone is a high refresh rate screen. A high refresh rate screen with iOS 14 would be a nice choice. Which is the best camera phone? The answer is always iPhone. So let's look what Apple has come with the iPhone 12. The Apple iPhone 12 comes with the two 12MP cameras. One is the main wide-angle camera and the other is the ultra-wide camera. So let's check out some photos taken with these cameras. I'm not sure if I would be able to upload the same quality to YouTube. This photo will all be shared in my Insta account, Aloryx official. Now I will show you two videos shot on iPhone 12 with 4K 60fps. It is straight from the camera and no color grading is done. So iPhone 12 is the best phone for video and photographers, the best for business people, the best for gamers with A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest mobile chipset in the world, long software update and has 5G, so that buying it now will be good for future. So if you're planning to buy a new premium smartphone, just go for it. iPhone 12, no compromise in quality.